Today, I'm going to reveal how I tripled my money with a simple strategy. It's a super easy, beginner friendly method that anybody can use to make extra cash. Do you have a way of racking in that sweet dough? Let us know in the comments below. While scratching my head and thinking of ways to make extra money, I came across something that got me curious. After doing some research, I decided to throw some money in, and this investment has made me 3x. All I did was buy and hold, literally nothing else. It may seem too good to be true, but I promise you, it changed my life. What is it? Bitcoin. Before you click away thinking to yourself, is this guy really talking about magic internet money? Let me explain, and you will see how much potential growth you're missing out on. Make sure to watch the video till the end where I reveal my strategy. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a digital currency which operates free of any central control or the oversight of banks or governments. Instead, it relies on peer-to-peer software and cryptography. A public ledger records all Bitcoin transactions and copies are held on servers around the world. Why is Bitcoin so popular? Fiat currencies, like dollars, can be printed out of thin air, which means that the purchasing power of your savings is going down over time. This pandemic has created a global economic crisis. People are also looking to Bitcoin as a safe haven asset against all that is going on right now. By holding fiat currencies, you are actually losing money. Bitcoin solves this because of its deflationary nature. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins in existence, and nobody can create more out of thin air. The demand outweighs the supply, which then causes the price to increase. What is my strategy? I keep it simple. Buy low, hold my Bitcoin for a while, exit gradually as the price gets overextended, and rebuy when the market goes down. I stay away from trading with leverage as it's too risky and not really a good idea for beginners. Trying to time the market is a bad idea. This method is the safest and will work for most people. My long-term goal is to accumulate as much Bitcoin as possible. Here's a simple example of how you can make money with Bitcoin. Say you saved $500 per month from March 2020 for 12 months. Your total savings would be $6,000. With 4% APY from the banks, you would have $6,240. Say you bought $500 of Bitcoin every month. If you sold all your Bitcoin in March 2021, you would have $28,374. That's $22,374 profit from your $6,000 investment. So, which method makes sense? What are some of the advantages? It allows the user to have control over their own finances. There's no one that can freeze your account or dictate to you about who to transact with. It's totally permissionless. It's peer-to-peer and as easy as sending an email. There's little to no waiting time, transactions have low fees, and no third-party authorization is required. You can get started easily with a smartphone or computer and internet. You can carry your wealth in a hardware wallet, unlike gold or large sums of cash. There's no risk of chargebacks. Once Bitcoin is sent, it cannot be reversed. Just remember, Bitcoin, just like every other asset, has market cycles. Price goes up in bull markets and down in a bear market. How to buy Bitcoin? You can buy Bitcoin on exchanges like Binance, Gemini, Luno, etc. These exchanges make the process very easy. Simply click on the links below and register. Upload the required documents, deposit money, and buy Bitcoin. In summary, Bitcoin is here to stay. Large institutions and corporations such as PayPal, MicroStrategy, and Visa are now seeing its true power and are heavily invested in it. As the world wakes up to realizing that paper money is just paper, the big players are silently scooping up all the Bitcoin they can get. This leaves less for the average folk like you and I. Whether you choose to invest in it now or later on, just be aware of the potential risks. $100 10 years ago has the same purchasing power of $1,000 today. It's not because things are getting more expensive, it's simply because the currency is losing value. So, is it really a good idea to hold something that loses value? The biggest wealth transfer in history is currently taking place. You need to ask yourself if you want to be a part of it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already and turn on post notifications.